Did you know the average professional spends over 2 hours per week taking notes in meetings? That's equivalent to 104 hours per year, which could be spent on more productive tasks like strategy planning or client development. Meetings are a crucial part of any business, but taking notes can be a significant time drain. This is where AI meeting assistants come in, a game-changing technology that's revolutionizing the way we attend meetings. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to use AI meeting assistants to never take notes again. One popular AI meeting assistant is Otter, a platform that uses AI to transcribe and summarize meeting conversations in real time. With Otter, you can simply click a button and start recording your meeting, and the AI will do the rest. Let's take a look at how it works. To get started with Otter, you'll need to sign up for an account. This will give you access to the Otter platform and allow you to start recording your meetings. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken to the Otter dashboard, where you can